Today's project will be replacing the headlight switch on the J. I've got parking lights, I've got headlights, but I don't have any instrument panel lights. And generally that is because the rheostat in there has corroded, and if you replace the switch, you can solve your problem. Getting the switch out, well, it could have been easier, but it's not that difficult. You can get new switches, DS165. They're not very expensive, and you can get them off of eBay among other places. So no sense rebuilding when you can get a new one. This is what the switch looks like, and let's see if I can get in there to show you. Yes, under that ceramic you see there's a resistor, a coil spring, and that's the one that controls the brightness of the dash lights. When it corrodes, well, you're pretty well sunk. So there's the switch. The first thing we're going to have to do, now that we have the battery disconnected, is to remove the pull knob. And that is retained with a button on the bottom of the headlight switch. So access is a little difficult, plus it doesn't really want to come out easily. I have a spare setup to demonstrate. So that'll be the first thing we do, removal of the switch knob. So here I have a spare 6364 instrument panel, and this way I can show you what we're trying to get at. There is the knob that releases the pull switch knob. You have to depress this and then yank on this and it'll come out. Snaking your hand up under the dashboard to get to this thing and then pressing it, well, you gotta be limber. Removal of the knob. And there's the pull knob removed. They don't want to come out easy, but that's how you got to do it. With the knob removed, we now must unscrew this piece. You can get some long needle nose pliers in there and unscrew it. There is a tool for it. I don't have it, so I use these and just work carefully, because if they get loose, they'll spin, they'll scratch, and you'll have a bigger problem. And if you unscrew it, this is the piece that you end up with. And then with the wires disconnected, you're able to remove the switch. Here's the switch removed from the J. I don't know if you can tell, but there appears to be some corrosion up in the rheostat. But the proof's in the pudding. Let's see if we have dash lights. Wow, I don't know if you're going to be able to tell. There, see? We now have dash lights. So it was the switch, a replacement switch, and away you go. While I have the button still out, I am going to paint that center. Well, some jobs are easy, some jobs are... By the way, catching this bezel with the switch up under the dashboard, it'll take you 2 minutes, it'll take you 2 hours. Sometimes it's just so hard to get those lined up. So, swear like a sailor and then smile. The job will get done.